Welcome, today in front of me OnePlus Nord 2T, and I'll show you how to change home screen transition on this device. So just to do that, we should hold for a while one from your device home screens, and here you will see the transitions icon. Just here click once. We can see that we have selected the default one. We can select one from this available animations. So I'll go for example with the real one, then just click here to apply, and now we can see that we just successfully changed our device home screen animation. If you wanna just go back to the default one by the same way, hold for a while, click here to the transitions and switch it to default and tap to apply. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.